These lashes are literally stunning. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get that look. With Magnex lashes, you can easily achieve that look. All you need is a set of their beautiful lashes and their magic liner. Look how stunning they are. So I'm going to put a light base coat of mascara underneath just so it adds that more powerful look. Now for the magic. Grab your magic liner. It is literally clear, so you don't have a hassle of seeing any black liner or any of that. Apply it directly to your lash line just above your lashes. Wait till it's tacky before you put the lash on. Mine's gotten tacky, so I'm going to apply the lash. It will take a bit of adjusting to do, but you will eventually get it. So move around a little bit and just clamp it down so it stays down. And look, literally stunning. Look at the difference. You're kidding. Now that that side's done, I'm going to do the other side and show you just how easy it is. As I said, apply the liner to your lash line. Okay, once that's tacky and you have got your lash, now put that on. Move it around a little bit. Get it in position. And this is the final result. This liner is your lifesaver. Perfect, it's clear, you can't see it, and it's not uncomfortable. The style name is Goddess if you want the exact same lashes.